Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the level of detail quality setting in Over the Top. Of course, let's start by opening settings. From there, make sure you are in graphics and in general. Here, in this window, look to the, well, almost the bottom, because here is the level of detail quality setting. I have it currently set to far. There is also very far, extremely far, normal, and we are back to far. What does this do? Level of detail is a set feature that allows the game to load in lower resolution textures and models depending on the distance from the camera. So the level of detail quality simply means either that the loading of the lower quality textures and models is pushed back farther from the camera, so it begins to load in the less detailed stuff later than when set to normal. The same goes for extremely far, very far, far, of course. Either that or it implements new levels of detail, so new models and new textures that are implemented depending on the ranges from the camera. This is quite resource intensive, so I would recommend either keeping it on normal, far, or if you have a PC that's powerful enough, on very far. Extremely far, I think you should only use this if you have a top-of-the-line PC, like really. And once you select the LOD that you prefer, simply hit Save Changes, and then hit Back. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment and like.